Well, that's quite the pose, girl.
Well, look at me. I'm just beautiful. Well, I will be beautiful, huh?
Oh, your fur.
Look at all this grunge.
Oh, man.
But I just got here and you wanted to do my picture, so
Well,
you haven't had time to get rid of the grunge.
No, but the grunge will go, and you're going to grow back new fur.
Look at my eyeballs.
With decent food.
Can you see my eyeballs?
What? Your eyeballs?
Hey, look at them.
Let's see.
Oh, they're fun. Oh, well, what do you want? You people. So you think I'll have soft fur one day and not horse hay?
Yes, I do.
Oh, good.
I think proper food.
Proper food.
We'll stay away from the Dollar General brand.
Yes, that's not good stuff. But this is good stuff.
It is, isn't it?
Oh, yeah.
And you're good with other dogs.
Oh, yeah.
And kids.
Oh, yeah.
And
what about cats?
You're good with cats, too.
No, I'm a husky.
Well, sometimes you like to chase them. So.
Oh, well, they just do those fun things.
Do they?
Yeah. And I chase them. So you'll find me a home. I have no doubt.
You're a good girl.
Alrighty.
Okay, we're glad you're here.
I'm out of here.
Okay, bye.